Hello students, this is our last lecture in change of variables. Our last example on changing the variable of double integration. Previously we know one example in which we change the variables into polar coordinates. In this lecture we see how to change the variable in Cartesian form. So our question is evaluate integration x is equal to 0 to 1 and y equal to 0 to 1 minus x y divided by e to the power x plus y dx dy by changing the variables. So first here let I equal to x is from 0 to 1 and y is from 0 to 1 minus x y divided by e to the power x plus y dx dy, that is equal to double integration over r y equal to e to the power x plus y dx dy, where r is bounded by y equal to 0, y equal to 1 minus x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. First we draw the diagram with respect to x and y. Here y equal to 0 is our x axis and x equal to 0 is our y axis and x equal to 1 is a line parallel to y axis. Then y equal to 1 minus x is our, that is now y equal to 1 minus x, that is x plus y equal to 1, which represents a straight line passing through when we put x equal to 0 then y equal to 1, when we put y equal to 0 x is equal to 1. So passing through 0 1 and 1 0. Next we draw the diagram with respect to this region. So that is our x-axis and this is our y-axis, and here it is y equal to 0 line and here it is x equal to 0 line. Then x plus y equal to 1, it is passing through 1 0 and 0 1. So we draw the diagram joining this, that is our 1 0 and this one is our 0 1. Then x equal to 1, so x equal to 1 is that line x equal to 1. So our region is bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 1 and x equal to 1. That line is x plus y equal to 1. So our region is that is our r. So we change this region into uv variables. Then how it will be shown in the diagram? For changing the variable, first we will take some function in uv form. So put x plus y equal to u and y equal to uv. That will be constructed. That is equation 1. Then we change the variables. So for solving this, we find x is a function of uv and y is a function of uv. So solving this, let's put the y value in here. So now our x plus y equal to u and y equal to uv. That implies x plus uv equal to u. That implies x equal to u minus uv, that is equal to u into 1 minus v. And y is the function in uv. So x is this and y is this. Then we find the Jacobian for the conversion formula. So j equal to Jacobian of xy with respect to Jacobian of uv, that is equal to del x divided by del u del x divided by del v, del y divided by del u, and del y divided by del v. Then that is del x by del u is 1 minus v, del x by del v is minus u, del y by del u is v, and del y by del v is u. Its determinant, that is equal to u minus uv, minus minus plus uv. So uv get cancel out, that is equal to u. Then we find the region in the uv form for the diagram and for the limit of uv. Here it is given that x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Then we put, now for x equal to 0, that implies our u into 1 minus v, u into 1 minus v equal to 0. That implies u equal to 0 or v equal to 1. Then next put y equal to 0. For y equal to 0, we get uv equal to 0. That implies either u equal to 0 or v equal to 0. So here clearly we see that v is from 0 to 1 and u is also from 0 to 1, because here given that x equal to 1, as x equal to 1 we put, when we put x equal to 1, u into 1 minus v equal to 1. So either u equal to 1 or 1 minus v equal to 1, that is v equal to 0. So u equal to, u is also from 0 to 1. Then we draw the diagram, that is v is from 0 to 1, u is from 0 to 1. So our diagram will be, so that will be our diagram. Next we see the problem. So given that x is from 0 to 1, I equal to x is from 0 to 1, y is from 0 to 1 minus x, y divided by e to the power x plus y dx dy, that is equal to integration over r dash, y is uv, we take y is uv and x plus y is our u, and dx dy is by conversion formula mod z into du dv. Our mod z is u into du dv. Then our limits of uv. So v is from 0 to 1 and u is from 0 to 1, and this is our v dv, and all are outside, that is u square divided by e to the power u du. Now from integration, u is from 0 to 1, that is v square divided by 2, v is from 0 to 1 and u square divided by e to the power eu du. So that is 1 by 2, and for 0 it goes vanishes, 1 by 2 goes outside, u is from 0 to 1, u square e to the power minus u du. So we solve this integration by using Euler formula. So by solving Euler formula, that is u square e to the power minus e to the power minus u du, first we integrate this, that is minus e to the power minus u into u square, u is from 0 to 1 plus u is from 0 to 1, the derivative of u square, that is 2u, and integration of e to the power minus u, that is minus e to the power minus u. So minus minus plus e to the power minus u du. So then put the upper limit of u, then lower limit of u. For putting upper limit, here we get minus e to the power minus 1, and for 0 this value goes vanishes, and here plus 2 goes outside, and again integrate this in using Euler formula. First we integrate this part, that is minus e to the power minus u into u plus, then derivative of u is 1, integration of e to the power minus u is minus u e to the power minus y, so that is plus integration of e to the power minus u du. Then we get, for putting upper limit and lower limit, we get half into minus e inverse minus 2e inverse minus 2e inverse plus 2. Then we get half into minus 5e inverse plus 2, that is equal to 2 goes cancel out, 1 minus 5 divided by 2e. So that will be 2e minus 5 divided by 2e. So this is our answer by changing the variable in double integration. Here we change the variable xy with respect to uv, and first we integrate with respect to v, then we integrate with respect to u, then we solve the problem. Then we find the result, that is 2e minus 5 divided by 2e. This is our last question in changing the variable in double integration. So any doubt in this changing variable, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you, students.